the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the presidential candidate in the 2023 election, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome His Excellency, our Prince was worshiping. You have seen a new version of his dear son. Let's walk.
As beautiful as a fair. Yes, I went to market very well. You did? Yes, congratulations. Thank you. Cross, yes, Daddy. You have made it. Of course, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you very much, Daddy. Thank you.
Let me use this historic occasion. I would say historic because of the bride and the bridegroom, Cross and wife, and also the parents. Let me, on behalf of myself, my family, I can see not less than 3 or 4 of my sons in this event. This is a clear indication of a close relationship between my family and this new family that is being formed today. Let me therefore, on behalf of myself and members of my family, congratulate you and wish you a very happy, prosperous married life. As of course, young man and young lady, you look up to the world for a conducive environment. What we can promise you as your parents is to make that environment as conducive for your growth and your prosperity. Therefore, I would like to congratulate you and wish you a happy married life. I am actually coming straight from the airport from Ibadan, and I have to keep this promise because I have made it before. So enjoy yourselves, but make sure that you lead a very happy married life. Trust each other, be honest with each other, be obedient to each other. These are key elements of a married life that will make it successful. And therefore, congratulate you and wish you a very, very happy married life. Congratulations once more. God bless. Thank you.